see that the thread is created. And then click on OK and it will make a outer thread. So this is how we make thread in SolidWorks. Now click on OK and the thread is shown over here. Now you can see that the thread is created with V bottom. Hello and welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to we make the thread in SolidWorks. So here I am opening the canvas, select part and then click on OK. Now we will make a sketch. So first of all I am selecting a plane, then I will create a sketch. Now to fully define the sketch I am giving it a vertical relation over here. So the sketch is now fully defined. Now exit the sketch. Now go to features and extrude it to a 3D object. Up to 20 mm. Okay. Now I have a 3D of solid body and I'm going to make a thread in this 3D body. Okay. So now here I have hole wizard. So click on hole wizard. Then this option, a straight tab. This option is used to create a threaded hole. So click on a straight tab and go down and select the standard. So I am going to create an isometric thread, so I will select ISO and then I will select bottoming tabbed hole, straight pipe tabbed hole or tabbed hole. So I am selecting a straight pipe tabbed hole. So when I select a straight pipe tabbed hole, it will show me the British standard pipe thread units, but I need to create a metric thread. So I will select bottoming tabbed hole and then I will select the thread that I want to make. So I am selecting M10 into 1. This is the thread in which the outer diameter of the thread will be 10 mm and 1 mm will be the pitch of the thread. Now after selecting this, select the end condition, that is up to next through all blind. So I will keep it blind and I will give it a depth of 10. Now go down and select the V bottom should be included in the depth or out of the depth. So I am keeping the V bottom out of the depth and thread will be thread length will be 10. Okay, so end condition will be 10 mm and thread length will be 10 mm. And now I am clicking on position and then I will select the face on which I want to make the thread and then I will click on the center point to make the thread on the center point. If you want to make the thread here, then you can click here. If you want to make it here, then you can click here, but I am clicking on the center point. So I have clicked it and then click on the green tick. Okay, and then you can see that a hole is created. Now go the thread is not shown here. Now go to options from this option and then go to document properties and then detailing and then click on this threaded cosmetic threads and then click on OK. Now you can see that the thread is created with V bottom. So this is how we create a cosmetic thread in Solid. Now I will show you how to make a male cosmetic thread on a solid cylinder. Okay? And we have a cylinder. Now we will make a thread on this cylinder. So now go to insert, go to annotations, go to cosmetic thread and then we will select an edge here. Blind. So here we can give a value like 10 mm. So it will make a thread up to 10 mm. Click on OK and we have made the thread on this cylinder, but this is not shown so far. Go to options and then document properties and then detailing, and then click on set it cosmetic threads. Now click on OK, and the thread is shown over here. Now if you want to edit this thread, go to edit profile. I will show you again. Click on this dotted, select this dotted line, hover on it on this, and click on the right mouse button, then click here on edit feature. Now standard, so I will select ISO, then it will apply to all configuration. I will give period. OK, machine thread. Now I will select the dia of the cylinder is 20 mm, so I will select a thread of 20 into 2 or 20 or pitch 1.5 I can select. So I am selecting M20 up to next or blind, and then I am selecting it up to 10 mm, and then I will click on OK. Now you can see that M20 thread is created. Again, if you want to edit it, you can edit. Okay, so a thread is created of M20 and pitch 1.5, and the length of the thread is 10 mm. So this is how we create a thread in solid. So in this video I will show you the real thread on the solid body. So let's begin. Go to, first of all I am cutting this one, and let's start from the beginning. Click on new, click on part, click OK. Then we will select a plane, and then I will make a circle over here. Then I will give it a dimension of 10 and exit. Now go to features and extrude it. So I'm going to extrude it up to 40 mm. Now click on OK. So I have a cylinder now. Now I will make an M10 male thread on this cylinder. So here I will go to features, and then through this down arrow I will select thread option. So now the thread option is selected. Now we need to select the edge in this window, so we select the edge over here. Now go down blind, and now I'm going to make a thread of 20 mm. So it will be a metric die, and now M10 into 1, 10 is the dia of the hole, outer dia of the hole, and now we will make a cut thread over here. So click on OK, and now you can see that the thread is created. See, metric die. So since I have selected a metric die, so the cut thread is created. If I have been selected metric tab over here, then I have to select extrude thread here, and then click on OK, and it will make a outer thread. So this happens due to the dia of the hole, and you will learn it by time when you will enter into the industry. So this is how we make thread in SolidWorks. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for now. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye.